you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 in Minecraft, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. This guide will help you identify and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Restart Minecraft. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches. Close Minecraft completely and then reopen it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and potentially fix the matchmaking error. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Check for updates in your game launch and install any available updates. Running an outdated version can lead to compatibility issues with the matchmaking system. Step 4. Check server status. Visit the official Minecraft server status page or community forums to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down or undergoing maintenance, you may need to wait until they are back online to resolve the error. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewall or antivirus software can block Minecraft from connecting to the internet. Check your firewall settings to ensure that Minecraft is allowed to communicate through it. You may need to add an exception for the game in your security software. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Matchmaking Error 2025 and enjoy your Minecraft experience without interruptions. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Minecraft support for further assistance.